Before you sign up for Maximus TRT, let me tell you what actually happens once you're in and what nobody talks about. Oh, and a quick heads up, there's a link in the description below so you could check it out if you're interested. Or you could just scan the QR code on the screen to get the best price available. So here's the deal. In my mid-30s and a while ago, I started noticing things weren't quite right. I wasn't sleeping well, I felt like my brain was in a fog, workouts felt flat, and honestly, my sex drive wasn't what it used to be. I figured it was just stress or getting older until I got some labs done and realized my testosterone levels were low. And that was a gut check. I looked into a bunch of different options, local clinics, over-the-counter supplements, random ads on social media, and a lot of it looked shady or just too bro science for me. Maximus caught my eye because it felt more legit. They work with licensed doctors, they're all about evidence-based treatments, and the whole thing can be done from home. No sketchy clinic visits, no weird locker room energy. What really surprised me is how thorough the process was. You don't just answer a few questions and get the pills in the mail. You get lab work done, talk to a real doctor, and get customized protocol, not some cookie cutter stuff. Once I started the treatment, I got paired with an actual health coach who checks in and helps adjust things if needed. It's not just medication, it's a whole system that involves support, education, and private community of guys going through the exact same thing. I didn't expect to care about that part, but seeing other people's progress, sharing tips, and having a place just to ask questions, it's actually nice. As for results, I started feeling more like myself again within a few weeks. My energy came back, I felt sharper mentally, and my workouts started feeling more productive again. Not like I was just going through the motions. I even started seeing a bit of hair regrowth around my hairline, which I did not expect, but I'll definitely take it. And the bedroom, let's just say things are back on track. Now, it's not perfect, it's definitely not the cheapest option out there, and you have to stay on top of your progress, blood work, and follow-ups, staying consistent. But for me, that structure actually helped me keep me accountable. If you're expecting some miracle fix with no effort, this isn't it. But if you're actually serious about getting your edge back and fixing the root cause, not just masking symptoms, it's honestly one of the best options I found. I'd say this is a great fit if you're a guy over 30 who's starting to feel off, low energy, declining performance, maybe even mood swings or brain fog. If you tried all the hacks and supplements and still doesn't feel right, it might be time to look under the hood. Maximus is a solid way to do that with expert guidance and actual medical backing. And again, if you're thinking about trying it, click the link below or scan the QR code on the screen to go straight to the website and get your own protocol at the best price available. It definitely helped me feel like me again, cleared head, energized, confident, the version of myself I didn't realize I'd slowly drift away from.